In this video, we're going to learn how to cord a B motor with an S route and a Z route. Again, the key is to determine which way the spools are rotating. Unlike the A motor, these spools rotate in opposite directions. And by that I mean, if you hold the pin, once your cord is in, you pull the pin to see which way they're rotating. This spool cord is rotating towards the center spring. However, the opposite side of the motor, this cord is now rotating towards the center spring. Again, on the A motor, our starting points are on the same side. On the B motor, we're going to cord them on opposite ends. Knowing this is our starting point, we'll cord one through this side, flip over and cord one through that side. Knowing our starting point, we'll cord like we do with the A motor. Starting point here, we'll now feed up through the nearest friction pin for an S route, like so. Through the top friction pin, like so. Pull your cord through. That's your S route. Now, for the Z route, we'll flip over to the opposite side. Again, our starting point being on the opposite side of the motor. We'll again, for a Z route, feed all the way across both bottom friction pins, like so. Near starting point, through both friction pins, through the top friction pin, and pull through. Again, the difference between the A motor and the B motor being that the starting points on the B motor are on opposite ends.